Hello, this is a crash course in menstruation. So, what is it? Well, it's the monthly shedding of your uterus. Basically, during menstruation, menstrual blood that's made of blood and tissue from your uterus goes from the uterus through the cervix and out through the vagina. Now, the menstrual cycle. There are 4 phases to the menstrual cycle, and it's what happens to your body as it prepares itself for in case you get pregnant. Now, this is regulated by hormones, and it's slightly different for everybody because it's influenced by your lifestyle, diet, and your genes. No, not those ones. The 4 phases are the Menses phase, follicular phase, ovulation, and the luteal phase. First up is the Menses phase. This is day 1. Your uterine lining is shedding and it exits through your vagina because you weren't pregnant. And this period is different for everybody. Overall, the average period lasts from 3 to 7 days, and symptoms are common, even though a lucky few don't get any. The most common ones are backaches, headaches, cramps, nausea, bloating, and cravings. There's a reason you wanted pickles at 2 in the morning. However, severe pain is not normal, and if it's interfering with your daily life, you should talk to a doctor about it. The most common period products that are used are pads, tampons, and menstruation cups. Next is the follicular phase. This overlaps with 2 other phases. It starts when you get your period and it ends at ovulation. The pituitary gland in the brain releases follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, to stimulate a follicle in your ovary into releasing an egg. And estrogen is also released in order to stimulate your uterus into getting the uterine lining back as prep for pregnancy. Ovulation is when the luteinizing hormone LH causes the ovary to release the egg. That moment is called ovulation. Last but not least, the luteal phase. This is when the egg leaves the ovary, goes through the fallopian tubes, and goes into the uterus. If the egg is fertilized, it attaches to the uterus and you're pregnant. Otherwise, your estrogen and progesterone levels will drop and the uterus sheds. Overall, people start menstruating around age 12 and they stop when they hit menopause, and that happens in your 40s and 50s. So, that's Crash Course Menstruation. Thanks for watching.